Hello fifth graders, welcome to this video, and in this video today we're going to learn about rounding, subtraction, simplifying fractions, and classifying the triangles. So let's get started. So the first one we're going to learn is rounding, and we're going to work on number 1 and 5 together. So number 1, we have 2,893. And 9 is underlined right now, and we're going to round to the underlined number. So when we round, we should look at the number which is on the right side of the underlined one. So in this case, we're looking at 3 here. So is 3 bigger than 5 or smaller than 5? 3 is smaller than 5, right? So we're going to round it down. All right, so 3 is going to be 0 and 9 will remain the same. So it will be 2,890 because we round it down. Okay, let's do one more example. So 63,945 and 4 is underlined right now. So we're going to look at 5 here. And we have 5 and 5 or more is rounding up. So we're going to round it up. So 5 will be 0 and 4 will be 5. So it will be 63,950 because we round it up. Okay, so if this number is 1, 2, 3, or 4, we're going to round it down. And then if it is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we're going to round it up. And we have 5 here, so that's why I round it up. Okay, let's move on. And next one is subtraction. We're going to work on number 1 and 3. And number 1, we have 9,989 minus 766. So I'm going to subtract in order, and I'm going to do this column first, and then this column, and then this column, and this column. Okay, the order is going by this. So 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. And we don't have anything here. So for this column, 9 goes down. So it's just 9. So this will be 9,223. Alright, and the next one is number 3. 7,698 minus missing number equals 7,092. So we don't know this number here. So in order to find that, we're going to subtract 7,092 from this number. So the equation will be 7,698 minus 7,092 because we don't know how much we subtracted it by. So 8 minus 2 is 6, and 9 minus 9 is 0, and 6 minus 0 is 6, and then 7 minus 7 is 0, so we're not going to write it here. So the answer is 606. So then it will be 7,698 minus 606 is equal to 7,092. All right. And next one is simplifying fractions. We're going to work on number 3, and it is 15 over 20. So we're going to find a common factor in order to simplify this fraction. So let's look at the fractions of 15. So we have 1, 3, 5, and 15. These are the factors for 15. And let's look at factors for 20. We have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. And we can say that the common factor is 5 here. All right. So we're going to divide both numerator and denominator by 5. And we have 3 and 4. because 3 times 5 is 15 and 4 times 5 is 20. So we get 3 over 4, and this will be the final answer. Okay, when you simplify the fraction, you just find the common factor and just divide by the common factor. All right. And the last one is classifying triangles. Sorry. So we're going to work on number 2 and 3. And let's look at number 2. We can see that these two sides are the same, right? These two sides have the same length. So this will be isosceles triangle because we have two sides of the same length and one side of different length. Okay, and let's look at number 3. We have this triangle and we notice that there is an angle of 90 degrees, right? This angle is 90 degrees. So this triangle will be right triangle. Okay. And let's do one more example, and we're gonna do number 4. And we see that these all 3 sides are the same, right? These 3 sides have the same length. So this triangle will be equilateral triangle. All right. So this one will be isosceles, and this will be right, and this will be equilateral. Because this has 3 sides of the same length, and this has 2 sides of the same length with one different length, and this has a 90 degrees angle. All right. So this is it for today's lesson, and thank you for watching, guys. See you guys on next video.